So I'm about to give a demonstration of this flashlight spotlight in the dark. I've got the tripod mounted on the top, as you can see, and I've also got the handle carrying strap. I'm gonna go ahead and press the first button, and it puts the light on the side here so I can light up the deck. I can push the button again, turn it off, hold the button in, and activate the different emergency lighting. Now I've pressed the bottom button, which does the spotlight. You can see. I'll go ahead and turn off the emergency lighting so my neighbors don't think I've called the police. Now turn back on the spotlight. Now there's different modes. I can click and goes lower and off, so it has different brightness levels. And if I hold it, it does a flashing light as well. I can also use this tripod on top if I wanted to keep the light standing up by itself.